Hello, Fluent here. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to the document date feature applied to every document. Let's begin by clicking on the activity section, and let's make this really simple by searching for the first few letters of the word exhibit. We are going to click on one of these documents. We'll click on Exhibit 1, and we're going to change the name and also update the date of the document. We're going to say that this document was actually created on 5/1, and we're going to make the choice to update the activity date to match the document date. That means that we're going to apply 5/1/2026 to the activity date, which will rewrite the 8/11/2025 to be 5/1/2026. Check the box and click Save. You will see that the document immediately moved to the new document and activity date. And now I can make this choice to create a combined exhibit list at this time. So let's go ahead and select Exhibit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and click the Combine Multiple PDFs button. You'll see that my order is currently 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. I'm going to move Exhibit 1 to the top. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to name this my exhibit list. And click Save. I will now go ahead and see that my new exhibit list was created at 1:05 p.m. and the order of my documents is applied to my table of contents. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.